Along! 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 I love you all! Happy birthday! You ready?
Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga guro, mga professors, students, and everyone from EDUC Circle for acknowledging me as the most influential celebrity of the year. You know, okay, mamaya. So not only for my work as an actress, a TV host, sometimes a singer, fashion girl, business, but you know, this means if you all use your voice and stay inspired, this country will be even better because of you. So continue with the dream big, guys, and I hope that you use your influence for the good and be the little ball of sunshine that this world needs. Guys, that's all I'm here to do. Dyan. Anong gusto niyong kanta?
Salamat sa lahat ng naniniwala. And sana magtulungan tayo lahat para maging magandang kinabukasan ng Pilipinas. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our most influential celebrity of the year, Miss Catherine.
Lagi ko pinapaalala sa sarili ko to do everything with good intentions and with purpose. So whether it's for a role or just being me behind the camera.
Spirit ko para sa amin, hindi na para sa akin siguro, para sa inyo din, na aware tayo sa social media, kung ano yung channel, kasi hindi natin alam kung anong impact yan sa ibang tao. So maging inspirational tayo sa mga ibang tao. At huwag yung kalimutan, each and everyone may boses tayo para gawin kung ano ang tama. Thank you, God bless everyone. Salamat dito.
At ayan na nga, napagsama-sama ang apat na bigating artista ng showbiz industry ngayon. Catherine Bernardo, Ann Curtis at mag-asawang Dingdong Dantes at Marion Rivera. Congratulations!